am benefiting from what I was trolled for. Rema. Famous Nigerian Afrobeat musician Rema has expressed joy for being trolled on social media. In a video interview posted on social media, Rema noted that he enjoyed being trolled because of the benefit that comes with it. While reflecting on his career journey, the singer stated that being constantly trolled online helps him in achieving global success and growth. Rema, who endured skepticisms about his unique sound, noted how devastating it would have been if he had abandoned his ambitions over negative comments. He said, "It is beautiful to see something that people throw and criticize me for, and you know what? I am benefiting from that. Imagine if I had stopped or listened to trolls, like if I should say, oh, I think I should switch it off. And 4 years later, it's paid and more to come, because it's a huge territory, right? And I was actually the first Afrobeat to tour Indian, and I even came from Africa, if I am not mistaken, but it's a huge deal." Damlola Oshula reporting from Wisdom Yard Television.